Welcome to the Star City Storytime, brought to you by the Morgantown Public Library System. I'm Miss Sharon, and I'm going to read In November. This is by Cynthia Rylant. She was born in West Virginia, and it's a really cool story. Okay, it's by Harcourt Brace. In November, the earth is growing quiet. It is making its bed, a winter bed for flowers and small creatures. The bed is white and silent, and much life can hide beneath its blankets. In November, the trees are standing all sticks and bones. Without their leaves, how lovely they are, spreading their arms like dancers. They know it's time to be still. In November, some birds move away and some birds stay. The air is full of goodbyes and well wishes. The birds who are leaving look very serious. No silly spring chirping now. They have long journeys and must watch where they are going. The staying birds are serious too, for cold times lie ahead. Hard times, all berries will be treasures. In November, animals sleep more. The air is chilly and they shiver. Cats pile up in the corners of barns. Mice pile up under logs and bees pile up deep in earthy holes. And dogs lie before the fire. In November, the smell of food is different. It is an orange smell, a squash and pumpkin smell. It tastes like cinnamon and can fill up a house in the morning and pull everyone from bed in a fog. Food is better in November than any other time of the year. In November, people are good to each other. They carry pies to each other's homes and talk by crackling wood stoves, sipping mellow cider. They travel very far on a special November day just to share a meal with one another and to give thanks for their many blessings, for the food on their tables and the babies in their arms. And then they travel back home. In November, at winter's gate, the stars are brittle. The sun is a sometime friend, and the world has tucked her children in with a kiss on their heads till spring. That's a nice book. Okay, if you got your packet at the library, I'd like to show you what's in it. First of all, you will find a white sheet of paper, a brown tree, and these leaves, and you can glue or staple the tree on the paper. And I glued my leaves on, and then I added some grass, a few birds, and the sun. You can make yours any way that you would like, okay? Then you will also find this. This is a little mini November poster, and the word, of course, does say November, and I put several stickers in there for you, and then you can add other things also, whatever you like. And then this one, it's a fall picture. You could write the word fall here if you'd like. And there's all kinds of leaves to color. And there's a child. You could make yourself in the picture. You could make a pet, whatever you would like. Okay. So I hope you enjoy those. And I will see you the next time. Keep reading. Bye-bye.